Yeah, well done.
Did you wind the bobbin up?
Okay.
Wind the bobbin up. Pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Onto the ceiling, onto the floor. Put to the window, onto the door. Cut them together, 1, 2, 3. Put your gently on your knee.
Yay. Next one.
Yeah,
Crocodile.
the crocodile.
Monkey.
Morning.
Do it from the beginning. Do monkey one. Go on.
Yes, mommy.
Yeah, monkey one. Swinging on the tree.
Mr. Sharpie wood. Wait, hide.
No, do it. Okay, bring it from the beginning.
Wow!
Okay, do it again. Do it again. And mommy's gonna do it again.
Three little monkeys singing tree. Please, Mr. Crocodile, you can't catch me. Ah, you can't catch me. Long came Mr. Crocodile, made a big and snap. My crocodile, oh dear me!